G'day viewers, welcome to Flies Out Back Adventures. I'm Rob. Today's video is a bit of a rare one for me. I don't usually do much in the way of maintenance type videos, but I've arrived in the area that I'm due to do some work in and start some work in, but I'm here a couple of weeks early, so what I'm going to do is maximise that downtime of instead of sitting around watching TV or doing nothing, you know, that type of thing. I'm going to maximise my downtime, do a little bit of maintenance. So I'm going to show you what I do as far as the chassis is concerned. And so anyway, let's move the camera around and start from there. Well viewers, what I didn't show was, was yesterday I got access to a tap and buddy basically hosed down all the underneath, all the loose dirt out and everything else from the chassis underneath. And today it's just about getting the old banister brush out and brushing all loose springs off the surfaces, you know, like your suspension, for example, the springs. I'll be doing it on the chassis rails and so forth. So, yeah. Well, g'day viewers. Well, it's now the next day, and actually next 2 days I had to wait for the rain to finish, and supposedly no rain today, so we'll see how we go. Anyway, so about to throw some fish oil on the chassis and the underbody of the ute, and that will help protect it against future rust and all that sort of stuff. And when I say fish oil, it's just a canned product like this, and I've actually got 3 different brands of fish oil today, so fish oil is fish oil. And anyway, let's get stuck into it and you can see what I do. I'll give a before and after shot if this works out well. Okay guys, well the chassis maintenance prep, whatever you like to call it, is now finished. So she's all oiled up, prepared for next 6 or 12 months or whenever I get around to doing it again. And I hope you enjoy seeing that little bit of a video, which is a bit different to what I usually do. And anyway, that'll do for today. Goodbye.